In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts on iPhone. To add contact on iPhone is very simple and easy to do. So this is the iPhone home screen. What do you want to do next? If you check the bottom left corner, you are going to see the call center icon over there. Just tap on this call center icon. So once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. So this is the call center interface. If you check the down part here, the down part, you are going to see favorite, recent, contact, keypad, and voicemail. So what you want to do here, you want to over to keypad. Let's tap on keypad. Once you tap on keypad, it is going to display this for you. So what you want to do next here, you want to enter the number you want to save to your iPhone. So let's just enter a random number here. Let's enter a random number. So let's say we want to save this contact to our phone. What we are going to do is very simple. Once you enter the number, if you now check the upper right corner of this page, the upper right corner, you are going to see an icon over there. I want you to tap on that icon. So once you tap on that icon, it will ask you, do you want to create new contact or you want to add to existing contact? We want to create a new contact. So we are going to tap on create new contact. So once you tap on create a new contact, it will take you to this page where you get to put in the name you want to save the number with and save it to your own device. So let's say we want to save this number with iPhone tutorial. Let's just put in iPhone tutorial. So once you put in your own preferred name, you want to check the top right corner. You are going to see done over there. Just tap on that done. So once you tap on that done, the number will be saved to your contact successfully. So how do you now confirm that the number has been saved successfully? So over to, if you check the down part, I want you to go to contact. So once you go to contact, if you check the upper side, you are going to see a search bar. Tap on that search bar. Now enter the name you saved the number with. We saved the number with iPhone tutorial. So let's just put in iPhone. You can see before I finish typing it, it has already brought it out for me. So this is iPhone tutorials. That means this was the number we just saved. So guys, this is how you can actually save any contact or you can actually add any contact to your iPhone. If this will help you, thanks for watching.